Hi everyone, in this video, we still learn how to simplify some sort in the roots problems. In the previous videos, we learned that the most common way to solve this kind of problem is to make this whole inside a perfect square. So in this one, we still want to use the same way to solve the problem. First, I strongly encourage you to pause the video and try it on your own. Okay, look at this one. This part and this part are both square roots. It looks not the same as before. So let's see what other features it has. And then we notice that both square roots share a common factor of square root 3. Maybe we can use the distributive node to do something. So that is the square root of square root 3 times square root 16 minus square root 3 times square root 15. Use the distributive node. That is the square root of square root 3 times square root 16 minus square root 15. That is the square root of square root 3 times the square root of square root 16 minus square root 15. And we notice that this is 4. So we can write it as the square root of square root 3 times square root 4 minus square root 15. This part, square root of square root 3 is equal to, this part is equal to 3 to the power of 1 over 2. And then this part will lead 2 times the power 1 over 2. And this is 3 to the power of 1 over 4. That is the fourth root of 3. And this part, we can do it the square root of 4 minus square root 15. That is the square root of 4 minus 15 times 2 over 2. That is square root of, this is 8 minus 2 square root 15 times square root 1 over 2. And we know that 8 corresponds to a squared plus b squared. And the square root 15 corresponds to a times b. Split it into two parts, square root 3, square root 5. This squared is 3. This squared is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. This is the right answer. And that is the square root of square root 3 squared minus 2 times square root 3 times square root 5 plus square root 5 squared. Times square root 2 over 2. That is the square root of square root 3 minus square root 5 whole squared times square root 2 over 2. That is, and you need to be careful here. This is less than 0, so we should write square root 5 minus square root 3. And use this times square root 2 over 2. So the answer is the first root of 3 times square root 2 over 2 times square root 5 minus square root 3. This is the answer. The next one is a practice question. I encourage you to pause the video and try it on your own. I will give you the answer at the end. Well, it looks so complicated, but it's actually not as hard as it looks. Here is the answer and some tips for you. I hope it will help. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Thank you. Bye bye.